Hello everyone, my name is Anthony Barrick and I'm an additive manufacturing specialist with Miller 3D. Miller 3D is a division of A.W. Miller, and we've been providing manufacturing solutions to companies in Western Pennsylvania for over 50 years. Today I want to talk to you about considering if 3D printing is the right technology for your company. But first I want to tell you a little bit about a conversation that I had with my dad growing up. Like a lot of people watching this video, I grew up working on the car and tinkering around the house with my dad. And if it was the middle of winter and the car needed brakes, you better believe I was out there helping my dad put brakes on the car with him yelling at me, saying, "Shine the light over here." And I was trying to, but I was shivering. But anyways, I remember when I was old enough to buy my first adult car that I purchased a European brand car. And I remember taking that car home to my dad to show him, and I thought he would be really happy. And all he said was, "Well, you're not going to be able to work on that car now." And I thought that was funny, and I said to my dad, I said, "Dad, you used to help me work on my bicycle growing up, and if I brought you a bike and it had all metric bolts on it, you'd still be able to work on it, right?" And of course he said, "Yeah, I'd be able to work on it." And I said to him, "Well, how is this any different? Yeah, it's all metric, but it still runs on gas like an American car. The engine still has pistons like an American car, still has 4 wheels and a drive shaft like an American car. So you should still be able to work on it." And of course he finally admitted defeat and said, "Yeah, I can probably work on it." And he did end up helping me fix that car several times over the next couple of years. The point is, I talk to a lot of manufacturing companies, and I see this opinion a lot where they think that because they deal with metal parts or high volume, that 3D printing doesn't apply to them. But at the end of the day, manufacturing is manufacturing, regardless of the tools you use to accomplish that. So I would ask yourself, if it's been 30 years since you've invested in new manufacturing technology, to consider that there might be a new, better way to manufacture the parts that you're currently manufacturing. Or, even if those parts aren't the end result, to consider that 3D printing may be able to assist you in manufacturing the parts that you manufacture today. Have you at least considered it enough to reach out to a sales rep and talk specifically about how 3D printing applies to your company? If the answer to that question is no, I would highly recommend that you reach out to someone at Miller 3D and let us help you explore new ways that you could manufacture components at your company.